So, as you guys know, I'm currently in Monaco and I'm currently in my hotel room. I just got here. I got here like an hour ago, so I showered, freshened up and everything, checked into my hotel. Not in the right order, but I'm rambling because I'm excited. But the hotel is pretty bare, so this is like one of the cheapest one that I could find in the area because I'm staying in the city center, close by to the famous Monte Carlo casino, which, if you don't know already, is famous for Casino Royale, the James Bond movie. So I think that's where they shot the movie, at least most of the scenes. You know, I have to stay within budget, so this is like one of the most decent ones that I could find on the internet. But I don't know, you guys can see, it's not too bad. It's an apartment hotel. It's an apartment basically, but it's like a hotel, so like apartment hotel, apart-hell. I don't know what you call it, apart hotel. But it's pretty much empty. So like, I don't even have a shower gel or conditioner or shampoo. Actually, I have a shower gel, all-in-one sort of shower gel. Well, I'm gonna go and check the kitchen to see, or the pantry, because there's like a mini pantry over there. I'm gonna check what is there, if there's like water bottles or anything like that, and then I'm gonna go out and get some stock for myself because I'm gonna be here for 2 nights, 3 days. I'm gonna meet my colleagues and my boss later, but I have a little bit of time right now to go and explore, so I'm not wasting any of it. I'm gonna go out and see the city for myself for a little bit before I have to go, you know, on official duties. So yeah, let's go. I wish you could have seen me earlier. I was like carrying 2 big luggages going up these stairs, but this is a shortcut to my place, so I'm not complaining. Easier way out. There she is. What a boot! It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I'm like half running, you guys, because I'm like so excited to go to the port area. It's so pretty here.
Thank you, bud. Thank you, my friend. Oh, that was a surprise. I didn't expect.
Good morning. I just woke up. Actually, no, I woke up like hours ago. I woke up at like 4 a.m. because it's like 12. Hold on, I'm a bit lost. I woke up at 4 a.m. That's around 10 a.m. back in Macau. So I'm still pretty jet lagged. And then apparently people here wake up really early to do stuff. Like at 4 a.m. there was some like a group of people collecting trash, and I could hear it from my window because my window's like open because there's no air conditioning, so I had to let like the wind come in through the windows. And from 4 a.m. onwards it's just been really noisy outside. It's 8 a.m. right now, and check this out. It's like people are having coffee, talking really loud, by the way. It's like super early. It's kind of a good thing that below my apartment there's like plenty of dining options. There's like cafes and stuff like that, but it's also not that good because like it's like street view, street side, and it's really noisy. So whatever they're talking about, I can hear it from here. My goodness. But I plan to go out today for a little bit, explore for a little bit. Well, I have work to do. I'm gonna try and finish them as soon as I can so I can go out and do stuff for myself. I'm gonna go check out some stores. I know shopping here is like all luxury shopping. I actually broke the bank yesterday already. I'm gonna show you guys what I bought sometime later, not in this video. Probably when I get back, and I'm just gonna do like an unboxing or sort of a haul or something like that. I don't know, we'll see. I haven't thought about it yet because I'm still planning to go out and see what stuff I can buy later on. I don't typically go luxury shopping, okay, whenever I travel. It's just for this particular trip, I feel like it's been a while that I traveled. It's been a while that I bought stuff for myself. Like, I mean, you know, stuff that makes a trip. Because every time I go on a trip, right, I have to buy something that it's like this one thing that makes your trip, you know, really memorable and worthwhile. I think I've talked about this in like one of my really old videos already, but when I bring it back, it's like there's just one thing every time I go on a trip. There's just one thing that I would buy. It's most of the time it's like a splurge. I would buy and make the whole trip, you know, worthwhile. It's like instead of getting like a lot of little things like different souvenirs for myself, I would rather just like splurge on one thing and that will make the whole trip memorable, if you know what I mean. So yeah, that's sort of my thing. But for this particular trip, I mean, it's Monaco. Everything here is luxurious, everything here is luxury, everything is expensive. It's been a while since I've traveled, it's been a while since I shopped stuff. So I'm just, I don't know, I'm not gonna set a limit or anything like that. I'm just gonna go with my gut and buy whatever I feel like. Alright guys, I wish it was brighter here. I'm ready, I'm gonna go down. This is my outfit for today. You can't see clearly because it's too dark, but oh well. I'll try to take photos when I get out. There's like this little market outside. Beautiful greens. It's a place I have to pass through every time I have to go down to the beautiful casino de Monte Carlo. Oh my goodness. I'm psyched, you guys. It's a beautiful day. The sun is out, skies are blue. Would you really come to Monaco without trying Café de Paris? Absolutely not. So here I am. Wow. It's so pretty. Everything's so pretty. Everyone here is freaking rich, man. Look at this view behind me. It's like all yacht. It's a yacht club, of course, but oh my gosh. It's beautiful though. Crazy. So there's this tunnel that leads to the yacht club. It's like underground. Now I'm going back to the casino area. So I have a few minutes. I'll check out some shops that are open and then I'm gonna go back to the hotel room and go shopping. What, go shopping? Stop working, what the hell? Honestly, I don't feel like myself these days. I don't know if it's the jet lag or I'm just like, it's been a while since I traveled, but I just don't feel like myself. Kind different. I am having a hard time trying to film, but I don't know, I give up. I guess I'm just being lazy, or it's the weather, it's too hot but then it's also cold. I don't know. I really don't understand why I'm feeling this way. Probably the jet lag. I blame the jet lag. But okay, let me go. I'm gonna step into Goyard and then see what they have there. So it's a lot of walking here in Monaco and a lot of stairs, apparently. Look at that. So I came from like behind that building and I had to climb down a lot of stairs. It's good. It's designed for walking. The whole city is. The whole country is, I think. But I didn't expect it's gonna be like that. Like, you know, lots of stairs, everything is uphill, downhill, but not complaining.
I'm back in my room and I'm gonna call it an early night. It's only 8 o'clock, almost 8 o'clock right now, 8 p.m. Already finished my dinner, as you guys saw. I had pizza, burrata. It's actually really heavy, so I'm really full right now. I pretty much was able to go through, like go around the whole, I wouldn't say the whole of Monaco because I haven't been to the other side. Pretty much one side, like one side of the principality, but pretty much the area where the Monte Carlo casino is, down to the Grimaldi Forum, the Japanese gardens, up to where I'm currently at. So apparently this place where I am, it's uphill, and I went even further uphill and realized that there's nothing much to see there anymore. It's basically a hill. It's actually pretty boring. I mean, that's just my impression. I don't know if it's just me, but I find that there's nothing much to do. A few pros: I like that the whole place is like walkable, pedestrian friendly, which is really good. You can pretty much like walk anywhere. The downside though is that because it's pretty much like a hill, so there's a lot of like walking up and down. Some places you'll find that there's like escalators, there's elevators, but they're pretty confusing and you won't really notice that they're there. You won't really know where those things lead to, like the escalators and the elevators. So if you're the kind of person who don't really know that those exist here, you wouldn't really just press a button, wander and see where it takes you. I don't know. But I don't really mind walking, but it's just that, yeah, it gets pretty tiring at some point. So that's about it, I guess. I mean, the whole morning, this morning, yeah, I was like walking around, really checking out every corner that I could like find, every alley that I could like walk into. There's nothing else I can explore anymore. So the only part that I did enjoy is like shopping, and it's not like I bought a lot, but I'm gonna show you guys what I got anyways in another video. So usually when I'm like on a business trip or something and I'm like back in alone in my room, I would like buy a bottle of wine or something and drink by myself, but I'm not really feeling this room. It doesn't give me that like cozy sort of chill vibes compared to the other places that I've been to. They're like proper hotel rooms, you know. I'm just gonna rest, take this time to rest. Tomorrow we have a meeting with the casino that we're targeting, so I bid you adieu.